He got a broken leg. Take your time. Take your time, my brother.
Roll this window for me. 10-4, 10-9, all the way. Hello, Deputy Dorsey, Fighting Sheriff's Office. It's because you're a window tint and violation of traffic control device, okay? You saw the white lines, you're not supposed to cross them. You cross this one right here, and you'll cross the one getting off the highway back there. All right, any weapons in the vehicle at all? No, do you have your license, registration, insurance on you? Do you have a license?
Yes, sir.
Valid?
Yes, sir.
You have a picture of it?
No, sir.
All right, what's your first name? Do you have a middle name?
R.
Date of birth?
This this the registration. That's a new tag on that.
Yeah, you registration for the tag?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
Right here.
Doesn't look like registration.
What? No, this is for tag new. Vehicle registration.
Do you have the actual registration? That's not how registration is issued. You have IDs on you? Get ready.
I don't got no idea. I'm saying, what was your purpose? Because I seen you over on the other side of 95.
You ready? You ready? Your wallet? In that wallet? Okay. There's nothing in that wallet? Can I see your ID? Never issued? Huh? Okay. So why'd you reach for your wallet then to pull out an ID then if you don't have one to begin with? Why would you?
Sir, I don't have an ID.
I know that, but you went to reach for it as if you had one.
I don't have an ID.
We on the way. We trying to go to work.
Where you guys work at?
We work for this. He literally stayed right here off the exit.
You doing all that, bro? Like we got some shit going on, bro. We got business cards right here and everything.
Okay.
We ain't on all no funny shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I seen you on the other side of 95. You can't.
All right, what's your first name?
You can't all the way around on this side.
What's your first name?
That shit crazy. He on the other side of 95. Like how the he come?
What's your middle name?
Here.
Huh? I can see that registration and the copy of the insurance.
I don't have the insurance. I just got the registration. If you look up the damn thing, it show you that the car had insurance and all that.
Who's the vehicle registered to?
With my girl name.
Alright, can you get a copy of the insurance from her? Or if it's not in the car?
So how you get from the other lane and come? Because I see you going down 95 going that way, you bust a U-turn.
I'm sorry?
I see you going on 95 going that way.
Yeah, I was headed this way.
But what made you pull me over just because I got...
I already explained the reason for the stop.
But I'm saying, if I had on my turning signal and all that, I'm not able to turn over.
Did I say I pulled you over for a turn signal, or did I say I pulled you over for your tint and traffic control device? Yep, and traffic control device.
Traffic control device.
Huh? Alright, like I already explained, the solid white line, you're not supposed to cross the solid white line. You cross this one, and you cross the one all the way back there off the exit.
So even if the power, so you mean to tell me all the cars that just crossed over in front of us, they not able to like
What?
They not supposed to cross the line like they.
Yeah. So what do you want me to do? You want me to stop and say you guys stay right here, please, and start getting every single car and get a line going of 100 cars, or do you want me to do one stop at a time?
I'm just asking.
And I'm answering your question. All right. So I'm on a traffic stop right now. So why would I leave this traffic stop to go do another one? I'm not done with this one yet.
I'm saying before you even stop me.
Huh?
Hello? I'll call you back. Man, I'm gonna never see my phone so I can see you down insurance. No.
Alright. Here, you can hold this one. Delta 212 Delta. First name, so forth. Bravo, Mike.
Oh, and the tin's in the back too dark.
First name. The comments going.
That's my boss.
Huh?
That's my boss.
Roll us back one down too. Roll us back one down too.
How is the tent too dark?
It's below the floor safe statute. Floor safe statute is 15 and 28, and no windshield tint below the AS1 line. The AS1 line is been removed, but it's about right here.
This a new car like a year old.
Yeah, but these tints are too dark on this side too.
Did you check them with the thing? I ain't never had.
I'll check them.
I would say I ain't never had this problem. I done got pulled over. I ain't never had this problem before.
You can stay in the car. Stay in the car. Delta 245. How about for me? No weapons on you, right?
No.
All right. This car right here. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No. You was smoking this morning at the mayor's house.
That's fine. Hold this. You can step back to the front of my car right there. Put this on the seat.
My girl called me.
Step to the front of my car.
You want me to ask her? What's your name, boss? Corn.
Have it up for me. No weapons on you, right?
I got 2 hostages. Just one of them I got fucking.
There you go. Sign out.
Huh?
Come out.
Search me for what?
This car here. Don't pull away from me again. I'm pushing handcuffs. You have a medical marijuana card? 212. Stand by. Are you wearing a pair of shorts under this? Alright, step back from the vehicle for a second. Spread your feet apart. No weapons, right? No weapons, right? I'm asking you a question. No weapons, right?
You asked me that, bro. I'm
gonna ask you again.
You know I ain't got no weapons, bro.
All right, then answer the question. Stand right here and face the car. I'm gonna ask you again. Spread your feet apart.
Hey, you touching my balls, bro.
Spread your feet apart all the way. Spread your feet all the way.
I'm report you for that, bro. And I'm gonna report you for sexual harassment, bro. I don't know what you touching on.
Conducting a probable cause search for you ordering marijuana. Do you have medical marijuana card?
No, I don't.
Can you remember there with them? What's going on?
You got his 28 or you need it?
No, I don't have his. You want to get a tag for me?
Yep. Well, you finna search the car too. You just searched and ain't find nothing. Ain't nothing in there. If there was something in there, I would've gave it to y'all. Told you. Delta 222, copy, second 28. Silver Chevy. Just got stopped. He ain't say nothing about none of that. Just crazy. Then they take your phone so you won't record. That's what they do.
I'm glad you said a pack search. You damn sure ain't packed me your world. That's even worse.
1026. C-Stag order.
Went back in the same area, went back up there and went even farther. Went from my nuts all the way up my. After I told him he touched my. Going up and down. You ain't gonna check my motherfucker. I bet you ain't gonna check this.
On June 7th, 2024, a Florida sheriff's deputy conducted a traffic stop that escalated from routine enforcement into a complex confrontation involving suspended license violations and third-party interference. The deputy observed 2 independent traffic violations: illegal window tint and crossing solid white traffic control lines, establishing lawful authority for the stop under Wren versus United States. Under Florida Statute 322.34, driving with a suspended license is a criminal offense, not a civil infraction, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. The critical factor here: the driver had been warned for this exact violation just 3 days earlier, establishing his knowledge of the suspended status and eliminating any defense based on lack of awareness. When the deputy detected marijuana odor and observed medical marijuana cards, he gained legal authority under Terry v. Ohio to conduct pat-down searches for officer safety. Terry established that officers may conduct limited searches for weapons when they have reasonable suspicion that a person is armed and dangerous during a lawful stop. The driver's passive resistance, repeatedly asking why instead of complying with lawful commands, constitutes resisting arrest under Florida Statute 843.02. This statute criminalizes any resistance or obstruction to an officer executing lawful duties, even without physical violence or fighting.
May I help you? Ain't nothing over here for you, boss. What's up? This ain't your traffic stop. So what you looking for? What you looking for? Some weed? That what you looking for? You looking for some pistols? That what you looking for? You ain't gonna find in this bitch. It's a work vehicle. Y'all what else for? Find something else better do with your time. Yeah, you. Make sure you looking when you're talking to me. Look at me with like an eye. Look at me like a man. Nigga, look into my eyes. You this close to my car for? Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna get in my car and go. Can you back up?
You're leaving?
Yes, sir. I'm leaving. Can you back the up? I need some more space. Back up. I don't want to touch you. I don't want to get too close to you.
This is a perfect distance.
Fuck. Ain't over here for you. What you looking for?
Hey, Corey, come here for a second. Over here.
Oh,
Come here. Corey? Yeah. Face the car for me.
what happened?
Face the car for me.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Don't resist me. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
not fucking resisting
Face
you.
the car and put your hands behind your back. Stop tensing up.
Bro, I'm just trying to
I'm not
get
going to tell you again. Face the car and do not turn around.
Just say to me, get back over there with your tractor stop. That's what you can do. This shit ain't got nothing to do with what you got going over here. So take your back over there.
And place on a registered driving suspended license with knowledge. You were warned on June 4th, 3 days ago, driving without a license, without a valid license. He gave you a warning. You have knowledge of arrestable offense. You're going to jail for driving without a license with knowledge.
The cop let me.
Do you have anything on you I didn't find? If you do, and it makes it into the Indian facility,
I
you
ain't
don't
got
charge.
nothing on me.
All right. I'm not gonna take your hair. I just want to make sure. All right.
Hey,
Come on the side of the car.
can I get my phone?
I'll get what you need.
Keep fucking pulling me like that.
Hey,
Hey, man, to the bro, man, don't touch. I'm good. Touch me, bro. I'm just walking.
he got a broken leg. Take your time. Take your time, my brother. Hey, why is he talking? Why is he pushing my brother like that, bro? He got a broken leg. He got a rod in his. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't give a. He got a rod in his leg. Watch yourself.
The arrival of the aggressive third party created one of the most dangerous scenarios in law enforcement: active interference during an arrest. While the First Amendment protects citizens' rights to observe and criticize police activity, it does not protect physical interference, obstruction, or creating unsafe conditions. The third party's behavior crossed from protected speech into illegal obstruction by approaching closely, making physical demands, and attempting to intimidate the officer. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of force must be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, considering all facts and circumstances confronting him. The deputy faced multiple simultaneous threats: a passively resistant arrestee, an aggressive interferer, shouting family members, and no backup immediately available. His choice to use minimal physical control rather than escalating force, demonstrates exceptional restraint and tactical judgment under pressure. The deputy's decision not to arrest the third party for obstruction, while legally justified, likely prevented further escalation and potential violence. Deputy Dorsey receives a grade of A-. His performance demonstrates highly professional law enforcement conduct under extraordinarily challenging circumstances. He clearly articulated the legal basis for the stop, maintained composure under sustained verbal abuse, and made sound tactical decisions throughout. His use of force was minimal and appropriate, and his choice of de-escalation over additional enforcement prevented a dangerous situation from becoming worse. The minor deduction reflects two areas. His "shut up" comment to the female driver was somewhat unprofessional, and it's unclear whether he verified her license before allowing her to drive away. The driver, Corey, receives a grade of F. He committed a criminal offense while having full knowledge of illegality from a warning received just 3 days earlier. When given leniency through a warning rather than arrest, he immediately returned to illegal driving, demonstrating willful disregard for the law and judicial authority. His passive resistance during arrest, repeatedly questioning commands instead of complying, increased danger to himself and the officer, and resulted in additional criminal charges. His baseless complaints about the lawful search and threats to report the deputy were attempts to intimidate the officer or create a false record of misconduct. Throughout the encounter, he showed zero remorse, zero accountability, and zero willingness to take responsibility for his choices. The third party, referred to as the boss, receives a grade of F for aggressive interference with lawful law enforcement activity. His immediate hostile approach, physical intimidation tactics, and demand that the deputy look into my eyes like a man represented a direct challenge and potential threat. His invocation of freedom of speech as justification demonstrates fundamental misunderstanding of constitutional rights. The First Amendment does not protect physical obstruction or interference with lawful police duties. His aggressive demands for officer identification, made while actively interfering and refusing to step back when offered accommodation, constituted harassment rather than legitimate rights assertion. His verbal abuse and personal attacks served no legitimate purpose and created serious safety risks by dividing the deputy's attention during a critical arrest. Under Florida law, his conduct likely violated multiple statutes, including resisting officer without violence and disorderly conduct. He is fortunate the deputy exercised restraint and chose not to arrest him, as such arrest would have been legally justified. The passenger receives a grade of C, reflecting mixed performance. He was initially cooperative, providing context and complying with the pat-down search. However, his escalating shouting during his brother's arrest, particularly the repeated "don't touch me" when not being touched, increased tension unnecessarily. A calmer approach, informing the deputy once about the medical condition, and then stepping back, would have better served his brother and the situation.
You gonna drive his car away? That's too bad.
You came with another attitude.
Walk across to get to the car. No, I'm stopping traffic. All right. You know, all right. We'll tow the car then. Sir, you have.
Let me get in this car so you can leave me the fuck alone, bro.
Thank you.
Shut the fuck up.
Good. Drive away.
No, you shut the fuck up.
All right. Have a nice drive
Fuck you.
safe.
You and you.
Drive
I'll
safe.
follow you.
Get in the car and drive
I'm
away.
getting in the car.
Thank you.
I get the fuck out
Thank
my
you.
face.
I'm
You
not
see
in
it?
your face.
You see I'm
Thank
walking,
you.
so go about your business.
Get in the car. Thank you.
Why not do the right thing and be a sheriff?
And he took my car. They with a bad.
Okay.
They bought some. They got nothing.
Why not do that? Why not do that? You know the right thing, man. You know the right thing.
You know what I could have done? I could have just towed it. But I did. I'm trying to stop traffic for him to
Get
come.
your ass home, man.
Get in your car and drive away. Have a nice day. Okay. Drive away, please. Thank you.
I am. Right.
No, you're standing there.
I'm fixing the seat.
I want to talk to him. Give me his card. Give me his card. I want his card. If I ask for a card, I want his identification. I want all y'all identification.
Hey,
He has his card. That's them. I need it for my possession. Can I get one of each? Can I ask, put it on, can I get one of each from all you guys? You have no right but to give it to me. Give me your. Give me your. You give me your. And you give me your. I know my rights. When I get in my car, I'm pulling off. Give me your.
Have a seat in the car and I will give it to you. That is your last option. Get in the car, and I will give you everybody's name and ID number, or you can go to jail for obstruction because you are now impeding everything else around you.
Obstruction, you're over with.
Okay, sit down and I will get it for you.
I'm smoking, you can't smoke in the man car.
Then put it out.
I'm not, bitch, you got me stressed. For what? For what? What you your tongue at me for what? I get some freedom of speech, I can talk. What's wrong with you? Y'all ain't know about some whole ass, bro. Trying to tell a grown man what to do. How that sound, man? I ain't no lads, boy. I asked for and it's legal.
No, you guys can read each other's cards.
So all y'all names on it.
Okay.
Shit. I feel like I'm breaking the law. You a fucking question. 1-1-2-1. Man, shut up. Keep going, man. Don't talk to me, man. Fuck.
Hey, you know, you're the biggest out of all y'all out here right now. Why you standing
He
there like tough,
the
bro?
one that's driving the biggest.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Please drive safe where you see.
Key lessons from this encounter. First, driving with a suspended license after receiving a warning demonstrates willful law-breaking that will result in arrest, not additional leniency. Second, passive resistance is still resistance under law. Questioning commands instead of complying adds criminal charges and increases the risk of injury. Third-party interference with police activity is illegal and dangerous. Citizens may observe from a distance but cannot physically interfere or obstruct lawful enforcement. Fourth, the First Amendment protects speech, but not obstruction. Verbal criticism is protected. Aggressive interference, physical intimidation, and obstruction are not. Fifth, officer safety concerns justify pat-down searches during traffic stops when reasonable suspicion exists, regardless of subject complaints about the search being thorough. Finally, professional law enforcement under pressure requires maintaining composure despite provocation, making tactical decisions that prioritize safety, and choosing de-escalation when appropriate. This case demonstrates how quickly routine traffic stops can escalate and why compliance with lawful authority protects everyone's safety. If you found this analysis valuable, please subscribe for more in-depth legal breakdowns of real police interactions. Remember, compliance with lawful authority prevents unnecessary complications and protects everyone's safety. Thank you for watching.